are going to use a tool called Elementor. Elementor is the world's best page builder plugin out there, and you can use it to create amazingly beautiful and professional websites by simply dragging and dropping any section of your website. It is free for the start, and of course it has the pro version. And of course, if I look into the pricing of the pro version, it says the personal site comes at $49 per site, and it has over 50 widgets, 300 plus templates, theme builder, WooCommerce builder, pop-up builder. Maybe this doesn't make sense for you at the moment. However, I'm going to take you through every step on how you can get started using the Elementor page builder, the free version and the pro version when we are creating our news website. To get started, we are going to come back here to our dashboard. We are going to come to plugins, add a new plugin, and right here we're going to search for a plugin called Elementor. And then I'll simply install. At the moment it has over 3 million active installations with pretty amazing reviews right there. Once it's installed, I simply hit activate. Plugins are basically tools that extend the functionality of your WordPress website. In this section of plugins, you can always add a number of plugins that you find in the WordPress repository, or those that you buy from different plugin developers that you can use basically to extend the functionality of your WordPress website. At the moment, I don't want any of these plugins. These are installed by default when you install WordPress, so I simply delete them. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to install the pro version of Elementor. I already have my pro plugin over here. Simply install it, and then I'll activate the plugin. And now that means I'll be having Elementor Pro installed on my website. Now, when you have Elementor Pro, you have access to a theme builder. What does a theme builder mean? It helps you to create headers like this, helps you to create footers like this, and even more advanced ones. It helps you to create blog post archives, templates, sections of pages, pop-ups, and a lot more, including even opt-ins, sign-up forms, and also newsletter integrations. So that's the power of Elementor, of course. And if you buy a theme, it won't give you all the functionality that Elementor gives you, including responsive settings like you are going to see in this tutorial and even other tutorials that I have made already on the channel. Now, to get Elementor Pro, like I already said, you should use my affiliate link, which is gotechug/Elementor, and this will take you straight to this page right here, and you simply come over here to the pricing section, and you can choose a plan that you want to get started with to use Elementor. In case you're basically going to build this website, I recommend you get the personal one. However, I always ask people to get the plus plan, just in case you are rolling out any website anytime soon. You can always add your license to that website and get started.